Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide the bookmark bar on Chrome in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to hide browser bookmark bar, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To hide the bookmarks bar in Chrome, first of all, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down that appears, hover your mouse over the bookmarks and lists. A new submenu will open. In this list, find and click on the Hide Bookmarks bar. Once you click, the bookmarks bar will be hidden from your Chrome window. Now your Chrome window will have a cleaner look, and the bookmarks bar will no longer be visible on regular browsing tabs.